Hey, what's up, you guys? This is James, one half of the dynamic duo of The Real Nesters. I'm back with another product review. If you find this item interesting, you might want to get it. Make sure you check out the description. I will have the link below. Make sure you guys like and subscribe to the video. Hit that bell so you get all the post notifications so you'll know when me or Crystal upload a brand new unboxing or a brand new review. Now let's get into it. Hey, what's up, you guys? Today we got the underwater gravel filter by Imagitarium. I'm gonna open this up and show you what comes in the kit. A lot of people, it's good and bad, results on these. But I think if you use it the way I'm going to use it, I use this in combination with a over the back filter. So I use not this alone. I'm going to use it with a combination. And as you can see, the Imagitarium filter is going to go inside the tank like so. You're going to set it up. It comes with, your charcoal, your blood. Let me see. Where's should have the contents right here. Your air stone, your cartridges, and it pieces together like a puzzle. So let's flip this thing over real quick by Imagitarium. And let's open this baby up. Got a piece of tape right there. So once you open this up, you'll see inside you have your two tubes. These are the main tubes going up. You have your air lines. You have two stones here. And you have your ends that go on, and you have your charcoal filters on the end. This is just a little customer service thing. And then you have your, I guess these little clips right there. So we're going to put it all together. But first thing I'm going to do is, before I even do this, I'm going to put it all in the sink, and I'm going to wash this up real good before I put it in the tank. Even though the tank is empty, I'm going to wash this up real good, and then we're going to set it up. All right, you guys, I did a little shaving. It might be a better way. If you know a better way, let everybody know how to do it. But I actually took my I just took my box cutter knife, and I got all the areas outside. I just cut them off. Then I was able to put my little clips on here like so. And then once I put my clips on, as you can see, it's all one piece now. Now I'm ready to put it in. And first thing you want to do is make sure you put the little notches in here where you're going to get your pump ready. You do that before you put that in. Okay. Boom. You put that in, then you turn it. Then it's a little snug. This is a little snug. So you gotta use a little force, but there we go. And then you make the turn. And after you do that, now we're ready to put this in. Now we got that in the tank like so. Boom, that's in the tank there. Bam, so that's all set. Next thing we're going to do, over here on the table, we got our tubes, end filters, and then we got our two stones. Stones are going to go in there. Make sure this notch is below so you'll be able to sit the top on it. It's a little notch right here. And then we've got this. And I got to get my tubing right. So the tubing is a whole nother thing to it. So actually, hold on for a second. So there you go. I've got the tubes in, and my water level, I usually keep my water level all the way up to the base here, the frame. So I know you're supposed to have it right below the water level. So as you can see, that's right below the water level. Is going to be right at the top right here. And then same over here. I'm going to have to raise this one up a little bit. But as you can see, right there close to the water level. That's where you want it. And these two tubes are going to feed down into what we call a T-square. And I'm going to have this coming out the back of this. So basically this is going to go up through here. I'm going to keep that there. And then that's going to go straight up. And then these two are going to come down to a T-square that's going to be right there. And you know, of course, this is going to be plugged up back there. And then it go around, and then I'm going to have a drip loop to go in there. And I want you guys to see before I totally cover it up with gravel. Got a little bit more gravel to put in there. But I want you guys to totally see how it looks in the tank. There's my gravel, as you can see. There's the filter there. And all you guys, I found out something too, is that I found out a guy, I was watching YouTube, and he said to clean this, when you have to clean it, just basically make an area like that, and then use your shop vac and just suck up all the stuff from the bottom by using the shop vac, just like that. So I don't know whether that's true or not. When I get to that point, I'll let you guys know. But there's my gravel right there. There's the under gravel filter. Make sure you guys come back. I'm doing frequent videos as I go through this process of setting up my tank. Make sure you like and subscribe. Put the bell on for post notification so you can see my whole process of setting up my 20-gallon high tank. See you guys on the next video.